Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to add Instagram story highlight. So let's begin on it. So first of all, you just need to open on your Instagram and you need to upload a story at first. So there you can see I already upload a story and I want to make it as a story highlight. So what should you do? You simply upload your story at first, then open on your story like that, and then at the bottom there have a option for highlight. So click on highlight and you can make your highlight name. So I can give it floor on my highlight name, floor, then add it, then view on profile. So that's it. There you can see your highlight already showing on your profile. So guys, in this way you can add Instagram highlight on your profile. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.